Supposedly, in 1983, the United States government was working on time travel, leading to an interdimensional monster getting loose on Long Island. The claim comes from Preston Nichols, a former employee of the Montauk military base on Long Island. In his 1992 book, The Montauk Project, Experiments in Time, he describes the government's first attempt to create technology that would make warships invisible to radar and the naked eye. Unfortunately, those experiments inadvertently briefly sent the USS Eldridge back to 1943. When the ship returned to 1983, many of the crew were dead or had gone mad. The U.S. Navy denied this story. However, an investigation by Newsday in 1992 revealed several odd electrical storms across Long Island on the days the experiments were supposedly conducted. Conveniently, in 1997, the U.S. Navy announced that the National Archives had accidentally destroyed most of its official records from the 1980s. But the Philadelphia experiment, as it was called, wasn't the only weird thing going on at the Montauk military base. There was also something called the Montauk chair. It was a chair connected to electrodes and coils that would amplify sensitives' abilities, allowing the subject to communicate thoughts across time, space, and perhaps even dimensions. In an experiment in 1983, the subject strapped to the chair accidentally released a monster from another dimension. It was 9 or 10 feet tall and hairy like a Sasquatch. The creature rampaged through the base and eventually escaped. It supposedly still wanders around Long Island. To hear about other bizarre American government programs, please watch our YouTube video, 3 Declassified Projects That Inspired Stranger Things.